Welcome to Cookin Cosplay! Hi, welcome to another cooking video. I'm your host Anna, and today I'm going to show you how to prepare my favorite winter's meal, Arendelle's royal duck. During the winter, we love to gather around the dinner table and talk, since we're usually too busy with the kingdom to talk to each other during the day. So this recipe is perfect for those winter evenings. It's savory with just a little touch of sweetness. But first, let's suit up.
To feed 2 people, you will need 1 duck fillet, 35 grams of soft butter, 3 slices of gingerbread, a little bit of olive oil, 1 bunch carrots, 1 tablespoon honey, and 10 centiliters of Porto. To make the crispy gingerbread crumbs, place slices of gingerbread on a baking sheet. Put them in the oven for 1 hour at 100 degrees. This will allow them to dry out and become crispy. If they are still soft or sticky once out of the oven, don't worry, just let them cool down and they'll become hard as a rock.
Once the gingerbread is dry, we're gonna cut it into pieces and put them inside a bag so we can make the breadcrumbs. Then let's close the bag. And if you have a food processor, that would be very easy. You just have to dump the gingerbread inside and just push the button and there you go, you have your breadcrumbs. Except I don't have a food processor, so I'm using the rolling pin technique. And voila! To coat the duck in breadcrumbs, I'm first gonna combine my breadcrumbs with the butter and mix it. Now that it's done, I'm just gonna put the butter onto a baking sheet, fold it in half, and flatten it to roughly the size of the duck. There you go, nice and flat. And off in the fridge it goes.
To prepare the duck fillet, I'm taking the fat off. Be careful with the knife. Add salt and pepper to the fillet and heat a little bit of olive oil in a pan. Sear the fillet about 2 minutes on each side. Let rest on a cooling rack. Deglaze the oil and meat juice with the Porto.
While our duck is resting, I'm going to prepare the sides. Carrots are full of vitamins and they're pretty and delicious, so they make the perfect size. First, I'm gonna peel them and then cut them in half.
Sear the carrots in a pan with hot oil. Add salt and pepper to your taste. Stir in the honey and cover with water. And cook until tender.
Now it's time for the final step. Place your duck fillet on a baking sheet and carefully place your breadcrumbs on top. And just so it sticks to the duck, you can carefully rub it. And there you go, ready to go in the oven.
Roast 5 minutes at 220 degrees if you like your duck medium rare, and 8 minutes if you like it medium.
And now we're ready to plate. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share it and don't forget to subscribe for more cooking cosplay. Bye!